The vlog. Go? Yeah? Okay guys, welcome to the vlog. He doesn't want to speak. Okay, anyways, yeah. So today we are at the strand. It's St. Gillingham. So it's just me, Romeo, come to the vlog. Is this guy with Romeo? Say hi.
Yo.
Yes, me with Romeo and Josh. So let me just show you the area. That's Josh. Let me just show you the area. So you see it's vibrant. So let's go. We are going to first go take a swim though. We'll just walk around and yeah, make more videos, shoot more clips. Yeah, let's go. 1, 2, 3, go. So after walking around, it was time to go for swimming. So we went inside this Lido, the Strand Leisure Park, and I couldn't film with my camera here, so I bought my action camera here to stay low key, and this is how things turned out.
Shit, that's how it goes. Big bands, I'm coming straight. One bad bitch, if she do it, I say so. 2 big 40s and a big ass Draco. 3 more millions when you ask how my day go. Put up a phone, not a blueberry fango. 1 false move and we straight to short shit. 2 small bands just to take you out real quick. 3 more hoes, pull up, I'm fucking shit, that's how it goes. Big bands, I'm coming straight.
Plus grand chose à perdre, il fallait qu'on se barre. Moi je voulais des fleurs, pas couler d'autres larmes, baby. Pas grand chose de nouveau dans ma love life. PD, c'est les grands soirs. Champagne, je suis dans l'avion. Tu veux ma location? J'espère, j'ai un sourire sur moi.
Yeah, so after a good rest, we just we are going to just explore the forest nearby this Lordswood football ground. It's over there, so let's go over there. It's a bit windy, so if my audio is a bit bad, it's the wind. Okay, let's go.
Taking a flight, switching the channel. What's your favorite animal? Let's hop in a lamb. Say you fell in love, but I just can't stand it. Only in the parties you didn't fuck me over. Girl, you ain't my shorty if you been in over. But yeah, if you a bad bitch, can we get closer? Shorty, I ain't fucked you since October. I want you and I like it. Maybe you don't gotta fight it. Let me beat it up like Tyson. I could definitely one night. Don't give a damn, let's go to Atlanta. You got me, you fucking the planner. I don't just wanna fuck, sorry you know that I'm in more. We make a movie as long as you know who controlling the channel. Your body is, that shit so obvious. A little bit more than get on it, baby, that shit hitting like cotton shit. When you give me that ass, I mean you suck at the sloppiness.